The M1 MacBook Pro is one of the best laptops Apple has ever made. But if you're not careful, a few bad habits can slowly destroy its battery, performance, and lifespan. So most people assume their MacBook will last forever. But things like storage management, heat, and even battery wear can shorten its life dramatically. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 critical maintenance tips that can help your M1 MacBook Pro stay fast and healthy all the way to 2027 and beyond, hopefully. Quick context. Apple Silicon Macs are incredibly efficient, but even with great hardware, long-term performance depends on how you use and maintain the machine. So small habits can make a huge difference in how long your MacBook lasts. These are the exact maintenance habits I follow to keep my Mac running like new. Tip number 1, protect your battery. Let's start with battery. MacBook batteries degrade over time based on charge cycles and heat. One of the worst habits is keeping your MacBook plugged in at 100% all day. If possible, try to keep your battery between about 20% and 80%. I actually would recommend between 40% to 80% to make sure it's at optimal capacity or operation. The second tip is managing your storage. So SSDs slow down actually when they get close to full capacity. So for best performance, try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free. So that's space, 15% to 20% of the free storage. Mac OS also has a built-in storage manager that can help you remove large files and unused apps. So if you work with large media files like videos or project archives, using an external SSD can actually help keep your internal drive fast and healthy. That is also important. The third tip is controlling heat. Shocker. Even though Apple Silicon runs very efficiently, sustained heat can still affect performance and long-term reliability. So make sure your MacBook has proper airflow, especially when you're doing heavy tasks like video editing or rendering. Using a laptop stand can actually improve airflow and help reduce thermal buildup. So simple things like keeping vents clear can make a difference over time. Another important maintenance habit is keeping macOS updated. Apple regularly releases updates that improve stability, security, and performance. However, if you rely on professional apps like Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro, it's usually best to wait a couple of weeks before installing major updates. That gives developers time to update their software and avoid compatibility issues. Make it a little mature, just a little bit. All right, so the final tip is protecting your SSD lifespan. Solid-state drives have a limited number of write cycles. If you're constantly recording large files directly into your internal drive, it can actually increase wear over time. If you work with video or large media projects, try considering, recording or exporting directly to an external SSD instead. That way, it reduces stress on your internal storage and helps keep your Mac running smoothly for years. So the M1 MacBook Pro is an incredibly capable machine, and with the right maintenance habits, it can easily last 5 to 7 years or even longer. Small things like protecting your battery, managing storage, and controlling heat can make a huge difference in long-term performance. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the other videos, maybe here or here. I'll see you around.